Thank you, Muk. Thanks, AWS, for invitation on this event. So I'm Irakli. I run a company, Ekimo. Ekimo is a Georgia-based health tech company, and the next 30 minutes, I will talk you about what we do, how we do, and what we have already done. The speakers of this presentation will be me, who will mainly discuss about the product, what we have, and Roma. Roma is CTO of Ekimo, and Roma will tell you on the projects which I will present what we do, how it works, will be Roma's part. So I will start. I hope, again, my voice is well heard. Yes, this is me and this is Roma, if you don't see me in the camera properly. So basically who we are. Ekimo is the biggest health tech company in Georgia and I think in the region of Caucasus. Our history starts from 2020, almost a couple of weeks prior the COVID. And the history started when we made the healthcare marketplace, which enabled patients to access to doctors and medications when it was the most crucially needed. When they were locked down, when most of the institutions closed, even roads were closed. We had time when in Georgia, after a couple of cases of COVID, even the online shopping was prohibited. And we had such kind of cases, which from today's perspective is a bit surreal. From then, the first product which we have made and launched in Georgia, in our country, because we are based in Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia, was the healthcare marketplace Ekimo. Ekimo in Georgia means like hey doc. And since then, after Ekimo, we have developed more than 10 of different very successful healthcare applications or technologies which made accessibility to the healthcare easier, faster, and more reliable. And this is kind of what we do and believe today is our why. So after that, we have developed different kind of products, which I will tell you about, and we'll tell you about how we done it. We have done it with the AWS, what kind of technologies we used, and what kind of deliverables it does to our current customers, and what kind of customers they are. Basically, we are kind of B2B company. Our main customers are the companies of different industry, of different domain, who are using with their operation our technology to reach more customers, to sell more products, to make their operational everyday life better, to save costs, etc. You name it. And the companies we are working throughout almost 4 years are the companies who are the biggest in our country and in different countries, which I will tell you about. So basically, the business model is what's so-called the white labeling, which means that we are developing the technologies for different industries, and the companies who are operating with our technology are using those technology with their brand and identity. Basically, it's a sales channel. Sales channels. It's kind of their dashboards, core systems, etc. Everything which is needed. The promise to their customers to be fulfilled and to over-deliver what has been already promised. Till now, we are a couple of countries, and those are the brands who already trusted us. And besides the fact that it's not, we don't have a large history, we are growing quite rapidly. Till now, we are not in Ukraine, and I hope after this meeting, we might have some new prospective projects which will deliver a mutual beneficial cooperation for companies, for us, and for the customers. So what kind of products do we have? The first is the healthcare marketplace, the biggest and one of the most popular app in Georgia. It's called Ekimo. Basically, it's a product for different kind of hospitals, clinics, aesthetic or dental clinics, pharmacies, or any kind of healthcare insurance companies. And it has the capabilities of telemedicine, managing the management of bookings in clinic or in doctor's room. It has the capabilities of online prescription, which has the full integration with any prospective part, like doctor, it's a state, it's a pharmacy, it's customer. It has a Q-commerce by which you can order at home medicines, and we are delivering in around 30-40 minutes. And it, of course, has the patient medical record. There you can have every visit of your doctor, every purchase, or the result of your analysis in your smartphone. The Ekimo is a kind of brand name of this app, but we are also selling those capabilities as a white label solution for any kind of institution who might want their healthcare, like brick and mortar business to be digitalized in a more tested and well-prepared environment. The next is kind of online clinic, which is a product for doctors, and the main customers of this product are private practitioner doctors, some kind of online clinics, and some kind of private emergency companies. So they can use the benefits of patient management. It might be the history of the patient or the medical record with any other healthcare professional. It has the telemedicine capabilities by which doctor can have the remote consultation with their doctor. It's total cloud-based. It's on AWS, and they can conduct any kind of healthcare session from maybe when they are not in the clinic, and mainly they do that. They can create prescriptions or recommendations for their patients, and also they can get and manage their billings, and to see what amount of money they have earned is quite a hot topic for them. It's kind of our second product, which we are also proposing as a white labels for different companies in our countries. The third is the names you will see are kind of our customer brand names, of course, and when you see the capabilities, you can see that it's a white label. It can be exchanged per need. Like in this case, it's an insurance app, and any of insurance company can have their application with their customers for their healthcare customers as a booking, telemedicine, reimbursement of their spending of insurance, have their online prescriptions, everything in one place, to increase the access of the services, and to increase the net promoter score of their customers. Ideally, is one of the biggest in health insurance company in Georgia, for your information. The fourth and the biggest product of our portfolio is a pharmacy Q-commerce, or maybe you can e-commerce white label solution, which can be used not only in pharmacy but also in any kind of FMCG domain or any kind of retail shop. Of course, it has a web and application. As usual, application is more popular because most of the customers are buying with one click and getting their prescriptions, their non-pharmacy goods at home, at their doorstep. Mainly the features we are proposing this white label solution is the express delivery or pickup options. It's a different payment options, of course. It's a well optimized search engine capabilities, It's a fully responsive and the fast access to the last mile of your products, of your needs. Throughout those four main products we are proposing, we have more than 5 million unique users across our technologies in the countries I have already mentioned. And those apps are quite well used. We have quite high retention rate, monthly active users almost more than 3 million, and monthly paying user almost 700,000 in our around 12 products. So you can say that the work we have done could not be achieved without the well set up infrastructure on the AWS and the technologies we are using. Regarding the technologies, I will just give the microphone to Roma, who will tell you from a technical perspective the numbers and the portfolio and the domains we have covered, how it was achieved.
So as Irakli mentioned, we have quite a lot of technology products which are full stack products, which means we develop the front end of those applications, we develop the middleware, we develop the backend systems. Here you can see on this screen the technologies which we mainly use, but it's much more than this. These are just the main ones. And on the left side, you can see actually our part of our infrastructure on the AWS, which is, I want to say, one of the main reasons for our success, maybe, is the AWS, because as you saw on the numbers, we have quite a few products in demand where the traffic is quite high, and the AWS gives us the opportunity to scale our projects seamlessly. We have deployed the auto-scaling groups, which help us even at times when we are at sleep at night, because as Irakli said, we are in different countries, in different time zones. We use basically every product and every technology, every component that our software uses, everything is on AWS, and we are quite happy with the services currently, and we are also planning to develop further in this regards. Yeah, that's basically it, what I wanted to say. Yeah, our backend main languages that we use are Ruby on Rails and Python. The main database which we use, as you can see, is Postgres. And also on the front end, on the mobile apps, we use React Native for its cross-platform capabilities. And on the website, we use React, which is most advanced technology at this moment. So if you will have any kind of questions, we are ready to answer them regarding business or technology. And if not, we have more slides. So
yeah, I think that's all.